State of WordPress Security 2026. What are the things on your mind right now?
I'm a little bit concerned with the AI connectors within WordPress at the moment, purely because there's going to be a load of WordPress sites with API keys, and that has value to hackers.
What is the topic that you're passionate about these days?
Security. I am seeing more and more security vulnerabilities be discovered. And in a way, it's quite good because plugin developers are kind of having to keep up a little bit. I've been freelance now for 8 years and I'm really passionate about helping other freelancers. My last talk, which I did, was like, this is everything I've learned as a freelancer. And I feel like it's one of those things that doesn't get talked about a lot. So I just literally sit down with people and go, here's how you speak to an accountant, you speak to a lawyer, this is how I do my books. I'm literally going into that sort of details and go, this is how I do it, kind of thing.
Are you still working with agencies as a white label partner?
As a white label partner, a couple of agencies, not a huge amount. Most of the agencies that I work with, their clients know me because in the last year or so, I've become almost like the webmaster, where it's like, my experience kind of counts for something, so they will bring me on to a call with the client and I will try and sit down with the client and try and fix it on the call, and they seem to appreciate it.
State of WordPress Security 2026. What are the things on your mind right now?
I think AI and what it can do in terms of finding problems, in terms of discovering bugs. I am seeing more and more security vulnerability discovered, and in a way it's quite good that these are being discovered because they're always there. And plugin developers are kind of having to keep up a little bit. There's been a couple of times where it's like there hasn't been a patch release and that bug kind of laid open. It was not disclosed, but it was just that there is a bug and we know about it. So there are things like that which is going to be an interesting thing, which obviously makes WordPress more secure. So yeah, that's the big thing I think I could see from a security standpoint. Now the PHP 7.x, 7.4 is being dropped by WordPress at some point relatively soon. There's probably going to be another wave of people upgrading. I'm a little bit concerned with the AI connectors within WordPress at the moment, in purely because there's going to be a load of WordPress sites with AI API keys to Claude and ChatGPT. And that has value to hackers.
Performance and SEO are tightly linked, and I would love to get some of your thoughts on some of the misunderstandings and the things you want to talk about.
The one thing which I get is when people turn around and they say we want a site to be 100. Unless a site is specifically built with that in mind, it becomes quite difficult. There are ways around it, but sometimes it's like the client kind of sabotages themselves. They upload big images, they stick loads of JavaScript, and that takes ages to load. So all of a sudden it becomes harder and harder. My analogy that I sometimes use is to go, you don't need to outrun the bear, you have to outrun everybody else, basically. It's my kind of thing. So if your site is scoring an 80, but all your competitors are scoring a 60, that's going to have an effect. Performance also is one aspect of SEO. It's a very important part because you have a faster website, it's more responsive, it helps conversions and things like that.
What should freelancers and agencies reach out to you for?
I'm just happy to hear other projects, people who use my plugins, or just chat. I run some conferences in the UK and I run the local meetup. You get to meet so many people. It's a really friendly community. There's always a spare table. I'd recommend going to a small one to begin with because then you can get to know people, which hopefully Work at Manchester will be, if you want to come along. But yeah, it's great for connecting, great for meeting people, great to know what's going on, and it's also an inspiration.